introduction video for our channel, Cruising Complete. My name is Barry. You'll see the Rugrats come in here in a little bit and introduce themselves as well. We just love cruising, and so this channel is going to be just to provide different input on cruising, information, tips, video walkthroughs of ships, stuff to do prior to your cruise, stuff to do during your cruise, just everything cruise related. Obviously each video we do will have cover a different topic, a different area. The kids will be providing feedback on what they think about, stuff like the kids clubs, and they'll be providing videos of those areas as well, just to go into depth. A lot of people want to know about, cruising with kids, stuff like that. So that's definitely an angle we're going to go into as well, but pretty much everything that pertains to cruising, and then going up to your cruise, and then during the duration of your cruise. So with that, we're going to get on with the introductions of everybody else in the family.
Hey everybody, my name is Kaylee. I am 15 years old. I am the oldest sibling of the Cruising Complete family, and yeah, I hope y'all enjoy these videos. I love cruising a lot, and you'll get to know us more later on in these videos. So,
hello everybody, my name is Colton. I am 12 years old. I am a member of the Cruising Complete family, and I hope you all enjoy all the videos.
Hey everybody, my name is Shir. I'm 11, and I am part of the Cruising Complete family. I personally love cruising, and I hope you enjoy our videos.
Hi, my name is Amaya, and this is Bear Bear.
yeah?
And then we love cruising. And then a heart for Mom.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video and the future videos that we put out. We're going to put out content on a regular basis, so I hope you enjoy.
Hit the subscribe button, thumbs up.